Today, I really only have one thing for you to do, and this is a thing that the teachers have to do twice a year. We have to give a pre-assessment, and then we have to teach for a few weeks, and then we have to give a post-assessment. So I figured since we've learned all the 4 C's, we've done boxes and bullets, and we've done word, phrase, sentence. So we've learned like 3 main idea strategies. And the whole point is for you to just pick the one that you like. I want you to know the main idea. I don't care how you find it out. You can use any of those 3. It doesn't matter to me. So here's my message for today. So if you just click the folder, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you just click the folder and just scroll down, it's all here. If you just click on the tab to open it, you can't see as much. So click the folder. It's right here. So there is no homework over break because I don't want to grade anything over break, so I'm not going to give you anything to do. So you have 2 questions to answer before you start the pre-assessment here. So I need you just to make sure you have a good, quiet place to concentrate. I just want you to take your time. Please don't rush through it and just try your best. So that's all I need you to do. But this assignment doesn't come for a grade, but you will get participation points for just doing it. So just trying, okay? And basically this is going to be main idea. And so I'm going to teach you a couple more main idea strategies after this, and we'll see like how you improve. That's pretty much it. Before you start, there's one question here. Did you read the instructions? Do you promise to find a quiet place, take your time, and try your best? You just need to say yes or no. And then I will give you time to read it. So this is, you just got to put your name, your period you're in, so we're in 2. And this is a book from LLI. If you were with me last year, you know how to do this. Am I not? For crying out loud. See, this is why I just want to be at school. All right, I had the wrong thing up. So you're going to answer the yes or no question. Did you read the directions? And then this is a section of a book. So you're going to read these 2 paragraphs. Tell me what the section is mostly about, and tell me 2 supporting details. So 2 things that helped you decide the main idea. Then I think you're gonna do this 3 times. There's another section. What's it about? 2 main ideas, 2 supporting details. And they're not, I don't know if there's 2 supporting details here, but try your best because this one's a really short section. And then one more. This, what is it mostly about, and what are 2 supporting details, and then you can submit. When you're done with that, just today or tomorrow, I want you to find something to read, anything you want. Read for 20 minutes, and as you're reading, think about what the main idea is, and then you have 1 question. What did you read? And what was the main idea? So that's it. And you can use any strategy you want to figure out the main idea. That's all you have to do. So, are there questions about today?
No.
No.